rated product to sell now. I make $15,000 a month doing Shopify Dropshipping 2019. Make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video so that you can know the exact targeting, get a winning video ad, know which interest to target, and get a good description for your product. And I'm also going to show you an AliExpress supplier to go directly to source this product from. So the product that I have for you today is knee joint support pads. I picked this product, one, because it's an evergreen product. That means you can sell 365 days out the year. Two, it's a problem-solving product, meaning that people have problems in their knees around their joint areas. This is a perfect product for them. And three, this product has been trending for about 2 years now, and I still see that it's selling. So I feel like this could be the winning product for you to help you cross that 5-figure mark per month. You can always go high. You might can make 50 grand, but for this purpose of this video, I at least want to get you to $10,000 a month, maybe $15,000 a month. So the website that I'm using for this is, let me highlight this here for you, dropshiphunter.com. It will be the first link in the description of this video. It will also be pinned below in the comment section of this video. Use code Mr. Da Vinci 20 to get 20% off your first month. Now, let's scroll on down, take a look at the video here. As you can see, we have the link to the AliExpress supplier right here. You can just right click, open that in a new tab, which I've already done, and boom. Now, what I really enjoy about this is this product it ships from the United States. Even though it says it cannot deliver to the United States, it still ships from the United States. But we're just going to click on China, click on e-package shipping, and coming from China, today is September 19th, 2019, so that arrived to the United States October 5th. So the shipping time is pretty decent. It's about what you expect from the average AliExpress order. So the next thing we're going to do is, hold on here a second, computer going a little slow. To right on Dropship Hunter, you're able to access, I've already opened this in a new link tab. Open this tab in a new, I've already opened this store in a new tab, but with Dropship Hunter, you're able to look at other Shopify stores that is already selling this product, so you can get inspiration for yourself to see what's working and see what's winning for your competition. So as we can see, we scroll down, has a nice engaging video ad right here, definitely gonna make you stop. Actually, I'm wrong. This is a GIF right here. Then they have a nice description. Do you feel pains in your knees and joints? So automatically they're asking the customer a question that, depending on the interest, if they target it right, it's going to say yes to, I am feeling pains in my knees and joints. Then we scroll down, have a nice description. Then really get into the benefit. They're more talking about the feature of the product. And they have a nice upsell right here with an electronic iconic hairbrush. So, and they also have an overview. So if you go in and you add this product, and you can add on to this description that dropshiphunter.com has, just add a few more benefits and add some reviews, you can definitely outsell your competition for this product, and you can make a whole lot of money. They also have a listing for Amazon and eBay in case you wanted to sell on those platforms as well. Now, as we scroll down, the targeting we're going to be using is the USA. Gender is all, male and female. Age range for this, it says 18 through 65, but honestly, I would start at 25 through 65 or 30 through 65. In your mid-20s through late 30s is when you start to experience pain throughout your body. Some people experience it early, but I say around your middle 20s through beginning 30s is when you start to develop that sense of your body structure starting to change, and certain areas in your body begin to hurt. So that's just my 2 cents on it. So they give us some interest to start off with: arthritis awareness, or you could just do arthritis, physical exercise, and weight training. Those are 3 interests for your Facebook ads for you to get started. Next, they have a ready ad text for you to put on top of your interest. So when you run this video ad on Facebook and Instagram, they have you covered right here. Then over here, we have a winning video ad right here for you. It's going to turn on the sound. I was actually looking at this product. I was using a tool I was trying to do. I was trying to snipe my competition, but dropshiphunter.com saved me the time of doing that by already having a winning video ad ready to go. All you have to do is run this on Facebook ads, run this on Instagram ads. If you're good with YouTube ads, you can run it on there too. And I guarantee you that this product will sell like pancakes at IHOP. It's that hot. It's that much in demand. This is a winning product for you. So yeah, to get access to this product, all you have to do is go to dropshiphunter.com. Again, it'll be the first link in the description. It'll also be pinned in the comment section below. Use code Mr. DaVinci 20 to get access to the first month off, and then you will be able to access. Right now, currently, they have over 1,050 products. Each product on this page has a video ad and leads to the AliExpress supplier. So take advantage. I've used a lot of product research tools, and by far dropshiphunter.com is my favorite. Again, as I always say, I won't put my name behind anything that I don't believe in 100%. And on this YouTube channel, I'm here to bring you success so that you're able to succeed. Check out all the other content popping up on the screen right here. E-commerce playlist, my 2 most recent videos popping up. Click on my face right here to subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it if you like this video. It helps get this video out in the YouTube algorithm, meaning that more people will see this video so that we all can be successful selling products in that last quarter of quarter 4 of 2019 for Shopify Dropshipping. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I definitely will respond to each and every one I get. This is being your friend and mentor, Mr. DaVinci. I will see you in the next video.